I knew it. You knew. Huh? You knew what? Can I keep that in?
Yeah, whatever.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jess. I post anything and everything about my life. I received a package and I am so excited to share this with you guys because it is from TouchwoodPR and the Toronto International Festival of Authors. I have been invited to attend the festival this year and I am so grateful. I can't believe that I was invited, and I am so excited because I saw the lineup and there are authors that I know that I'm like excited to hopefully meet. And then there are new authors that I haven't heard of, but I would love to meet them as well. TouchwoodPR and the Toronto International Festival of Authors sent me this really big package, and I'm gonna open it up and see what's inside. Do you hear that? Ooh. Ah, oh my gosh. My name is on this card. This is the back. It says, Jessica, the Toronto International Festival of Authors, September 19th to 29th, is creating a home for readers and writers to celebrate the joy of storytelling. Enjoy these page turners from TIFA authors, and we'll see you there. Very cool. Okay, so I'm seeing some bookmarks. Oh my goodness. Book by popular demand. 4 bookmarks. And so the front, or this side, says a book by popular demand, and then this side is just their socials, the date of the festival, which is September 19th to 29th. There's 4 heart stickers. Very cool. All 4 say all you need is books. Wait, there's also pens in here. Wow, wait, so cool. So I see a lot of books in here. Wow. This one is called Ordinary Monsters by J.M. Miro. Ooh, I like that cover. I love the colors, I love the font, I love the illustration. So the back of the book says, a stunning work of historical fantasy and the first in the Talents trilogy, J.M. Miro's Ordinary Monsters introduces readers to the dark, labyrinthine world of the Talents. I'm butchering words. Me, a reader, an editor? Can't pronounce words. Wow, I couldn't even pronounce the word pronounce. Anyways, it says, England, 1882. In Victorian London, 2 children with mysterious powers are hunted by a figure of darkness. Charlie Ovid, despite a brutal childhood, doesn't have a scar on him. His body heals itself, whether he wants it to or not. Marlowe, a fondling from a railway freight car, shines with a strange bluish light and can melt or mend flesh. When a jaded female detective named Alice Quickie is recruited to escort them to safety, all 3 begin a journey into the nature of difference, belonging, and the shadowy edges of the monstrous. What follows is a story of wonder and betrayal, from the gas-lit streets of London and the wooden theaters of Meiji-era Tokyo to an eerie estate outside of Edinburgh, where other children with gifts, the Talents, have been gathered. There, the world of the dead and the world of the living threaten to collide, and as secrets within the Institute unfurl, Marlowe, Charlie, and the rest of the Talents will discover the truth about their abilities and the nature of what is stalking them, and seek to find what truly defines a monster. Riveting in its scope of exquisitely written, Ordinary Monsters presents a catastrophic vision of the Victorian world and of the gifted, broken children who must save it. Oh my god, I see one of the quotes mentions like X-Men, and I'm like, I'm getting X-Men vibes from this too. That's so cool. Oh my gosh. Oh, the cover design was by Andrew Roberts. Andrew Roberts did a great job. The next book is A Sister Spirit by Ifua Traore. I'm definitely butchering the name, but that is a beautiful cover. And the back, I love. Oh, it's also on the front. It looks like there's eyes. So the back of the book says, 16-year-old adopted Tara has questions about who she is, where she belongs, why she dreams. When her nightmares darken, fears swarm like a flock of ravens, and she traces her visions to the sacred Olomo rock in Nigeria. Tara begins a journey into the past to seek the truth of her roots and the spirits that pursue her. Sisters of one cord and one heart. An intense and addictive supernatural thriller. Oh, wow, these covers are really well done. Who did this one? Illustration by Camellia Rue. So last book, this absolutely stunning. It's called Curious Tides by Pascal Lecel. I am butchering names as always. This is the front and this is the back. The back of the book says, there are tides that drown and tides that bind. Tides with voices. What's up?
Where's Jen?
Jen's baiting. Okay. It's funny because we were filming just now too with Jen. It was like me and Jen and we were so loud, but like we were like, where's Dad? Because usually Dad would interrupt us, but apparently he's taking a nap. But Mom just came in asking. Anyways, back to the video. There are tides that drown and tides that bind. Tides with voices, not all kind. Moon-kissed tides with pitch black eyes. And those that dance near stranger skies. Wow. Ooh, look at that map. Stunning. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There's like this side as well. Emery might be a student at the prestigious Aldrin College for Lunar Magics, but her healing abilities have always been mediocre at best, until a treacherous night in the Dovermere Sea Caves kills a group of her classmates and leaves her as the only survivor. Now Emery is plagued by strange, impossible powers that no healer should possess. Powers that would ruin her life if the wrong person were to discover them. To gain control of these new abilities, Emery enlists the help of the school's most reclusive student, Baz, a boy already well versed in the deeply nature of darker magic, whose sister happened to be one of the drowned students and Emery's best friend. Oh wow. Determined to find the truth behind the drownings and the cult-like secret society she's convinced her classmates were involved in, Emery is faced with even more questions when her supposedly drowned students start washing ashore alive, only for each to immediately die a horrible magical death. And Emery is not the only one seeking answers. When her new magic captures the society's attention, she finds herself drawn into the world of privilege and power, all while wondering if the truth she's searching for might lead her back to Dovermere to face the fate she was never meant to escape. Whoa. I need to see what's under the... Ooh, that's pretty. Oh my gosh. I love a nice hardback. And look at that. That is gorgeous. Oh my god. Thank you so much to Sydney, Michelle, TouchwoodPR, the Toronto International Festival of Authors for sending me an invitation, sending me this package with all these beautiful items. I am so grateful and I am so excited for the festival. I cannot wait. The opening ceremony is... I'm planning to release this video on Friday, which will be the day of the opening ceremony. So I don't know if I'm going to vlog it, but I'm definitely going to post content on my Instagram and TikTok at Just Me on the Pages. And I'm excited for the weekend. I'm going to end the video here. Thank you again, Sydney, Michelle, TouchwoodPR, Toronto International Festival of Authors. Anybody I didn't mention, thank you so much for this opportunity. I'm so grateful and I'm so excited. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below, anything you want. Subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell. And until next time, I'll see you later.